Hi all, today we're going to check out something about dinosaurs and humans. According to Dawkins, I think dinosaurs and humans existed together.
No, so what? He
So what?
hypothesizes. If dinosaurs and humans coexisted on planet Earth.
But Dawkins said alleged human bones in the Charybdis coal deposit, it authenticated as human. These bones would blow the theory of evolution out of water. There are certain things about the fossil record that any evolutionist should expect to be true. We should be surprised, for example, to find fossil humans appearing in the record before mammals are supposed to have evolved. If a single well-verified mammal skull were to turn up in a 500 million year old rock, our whole modern theory of evolution would be utterly destroyed. Okay, yeah, it doesn't say directly humans and dinosaurs exist.
Coexisted, he says. If, and one reason.
If man and dinosaurs shared our planet at the same time, this is a serious problem to the theory of evolution. Dinosaurs, according to most evolutionists, became extinct 65 million years ago.
Yes, 65 million years ago, and yeah, then.
Oh, but he says there are alleged human alleged. Oh, they're not sure if it's human.
No, but there are also other things, and I want to show that. Ancient painting dinosaur human.
So he's saying they cannot exist together, or else the theory is.
The theory is that they can exist together.
But then the evolution theory will not.
Yeah, the evolution. I think Darwin was wrong altogether. But this is made by humans, and this dinosaur, for example.
Yes.
But that is not. Yeah, this here. You have humans, and this is a dinosaur, once again.
Yes.
But that's not everything here. Humans and a dinosaur. Maybe
a dragon.
Yeah, maybe here. This was it actually. This is some sphere, and it's a dinosaur. It's a
Rhinoceros.
Yeah, Triceratops.
Oh.
Triceratops.
The guy's riding a Triceratops.
Yeah. There's this guy, you know, and there's that one. And what is the actual age? The Triceratops. It is a genus of herbivorous ceratopsid dinosaur that first appeared during the late
68 million years ago.
68 million years ago. So that means that humans have seen this and.
Draw it. 68 million. This drawing is 68 million years.
Yes.
Cannot that old?
68 million years ago.
Where did they find this drawing? You sure it's a real drawing?
From Peru. Dinosaur pottery. Yeah,
this pottery.
Something with click here for photo and high resolution. Yeah, that's
the dragon.
That's the dragon. Yeah. But maybe there was yeah. There was
but this is too detailed.
Yeah.
Every
so
for 68 million years.
Yeah.
How this survived? It's pottery.
No, it's a rock. I think it's just a sphere. A rock.
A rock. Okay.
Yeah. It's art.
But you know what happened to rock after a while?
Yeah, they corrode, erode. You know.
You get the erosion. Yes.
Yeah.
Cold and warm makes them.
Yeah, but if it's
they don't last long. They
if it's on a certain place, maybe in cold enough, or wind still enough, water proof enough location.
68 million years. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
that's fascinating.
Here, look a bit down. Brain surgery, no. Triceratops, Allosaurus. What's that? Allosaurus? Can you look at it? Oh, that is that. The Tyrannosaurus Rex type of dinosaurs, Allosaurus. Yeah. So that's.
But this one is small.
Yeah, And you see that
The
guy,
man is bigger, right?
yeah, the man is bigger and has a knife in his hand. See, do you see that?
Yeah. And there's something behind him biting his ear. I think Mike Tyson.
He's attacked.
Yeah, from both sides
He's,
by two different creatures. One bigger head, this one have smaller head.
he probably died during that event, or maybe
Maybe he killed this one
maybe he killed them both, and that's why they depicted him
as a
because
hero.
he won two of these creatures.
Man, then he came back and he said, "I fought two dinosaurian creatures and I killed them both." And everybody made.
Everybody.
They both. So the artist made the
hero.
The hero. They put it into the rock.
Yeah, because
like how we get now computers and books. They put it, make drawings in the rocks.
Yeah, because
tablets.
This was a heroic event.
Yeah.
He won two of these creatures, and that was really amazing. So that's why they depicted it in art to remember him.
Nice. So you have a very good dinosaur art.
Yeah.
But this was not as big as they say, like 100 meters high, and
no, not all the dinosaurs.
Maybe very small.
Yeah, maybe the dinosaurs were very smaller. But we have found how do you say that? These bones, which you can see in the museum.
Yeah.
And these are very large. So yeah, the size has differed a lot. You have small types, you know, you have small types of cats. You have larger types of cats.
I think I have like evolution theory. Evolution debunks.
Yeah, Darwin wasn't true at all. Wasn't Darwin?
One of the old movies I made.
Darwin's theory applies to everything but the humans. So it applies to donkeys. I mean to monkeys, but not to human.
I'm looking for the Dawkins because I thought he was older. This is Ernst Haeckel. He found these embryos, you know, the embryo sequences that they taught in school books. They appear to be fake. This one was also fake. The Piltdown Man. Charles Dawson. See another one. Dawson. Now you have Dawkins, Darwin, Dawson,
Hawkins,
and the one we had just now was what's his name? Dawkins.
So what if dinosaurs and humans coexist on planets?
Yeah, Richard Dawkins. Sir Richard Dawkins.
Sir. Is he Sir?
Richard.
What Sir? He's not Sir, or is he a Sir? Richard Dawkins is.
You always get Sir when you find some dinosaur bones or something. You'll get some theory.
Is that true?
But I can see if he's Sir Dawkins.
Nowhere Sir. So I don't know how you.
Sir Harold.
I don't know how you.
The other one, Sir Darwin and Dawson, they are both Sirs.
Charles Dawson. Try that. Sir Charles Dawson. Dawkins, I don't know who that is. Charles Dawson.
He was. They made him Sir.
Oh, he's a Sir. Why?
Oh, they made him Sir, but later they took it away.
Yeah, is it true?
Yeah, because he found the missing link.
Huh?
He found the missing link. He's the guy that found the Piltdown Man, which presented. This was like a very big find. the missing link, see, between ape and man. So they made him Sir, but now they took it away. See, they found proof. There was a whole team, they found a missing link. You ever heard about this? The Piltdown Man?
Yeah.
They found this creature bone. But
Yeah.
some scientists, 30 years later, some Swedish scientists analyzed the bone and
Huh? What?
they analyzed the bone and it's
It's fake.
1953. They found it was exposed as forgery.
So he was just a fraud, that guy.
It had a jawbone and teeth were from an orangutan, and the teeth had been filed down to make them look human. The bones and teeth had been chemically treated and even painted to give them the appearance of being ancient.
So that guy was a fraud. What was his name again?
Dawson, I think.
Dawson.
Dawson.
So according
Charles Dawson,
this guy.
archaeologist, that turned out to be frauds.
En nou blijf ik het goed nadenken.
They made him Sir after that, and then they took it away.
Charles Dawson.
Yeah, but it's a whole team, it's not one guy. When they find out it's fake, they always blame one guy. But it was like the whole team together trying to make stuff up, you know. They couldn't find a missing link to prove the theory, so they got a whole team. Somebody sponsored like a whole team, buried some stuff, and found
Yeah, just to
all these
to probably
interesting looking British high scientists.
maybe to satisfy the investors. So you have to
And they dig in,
bring.
they show the digging and stuff.
Yeah, I can imagine that he had some investors who sponsored him with his research, and that's why he.
This one was also fake, birds with feather. They came up with the idea that dinosaurs came from chicken or something. Also a missing link to prove the dinosaurs evolved to birds. Into birds. This is also fake. This tablet. They made up a lot of stuff in history. If you look into the history about what they made up, there's a lot of fake fossils and tablets. So I found the was Dawson. I thought it was Dawkins. Okay, well that clears it up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.